Hi, boys and girls. I'm making this video just in case you didn't come to the live class meeting. Now, I'm only going to do this one more time, just for today, I mean. You have to make sure that you come to the live class meetings every day this week because it's not fair to the boys and girls that do come. So do your best to try to come on time to the live class meetings. So this video is to help you begin your informative writing. Now, this is our topic for the week. It says, cheer up. How can you cheer up a friend who is having a bad day? So, that's a good question. Now, before we can write our informative writing, we have to think of some good ideas on how we can cheer up a friend who is having a bad day. So, if you remember from class time, we used to use this sheet to help us on day one of our writing. So on this side over here is where we're going to write all our ideas down. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle in the middle, just like this, and we're going to call it cheer up ideas, because that's what we want to do right now. We want to come up with some ideas to cheer up our friend. Okay? So take a few minutes and write down cheer up ideas. Now, the first thing that I think of, if I have a friend who is kind of sad and he or she needs cheering up, I was thinking of this idea. My first idea is maybe we could play a game. So what I'm going to do is I wrote play a game and I drew a circle around it and then I connected it to here to cheer up ideas, because sometimes when you play a game with a friend, that's a really good cheer up idea. So here's my first idea. Okay. Now, my second idea that I came up with is sometimes you could try talking to a friend. That's a good idea. So I wrote that down. Sometimes a friend just needs someone to talk to. Okay. Now, my third idea that I came up with is, I know right now is not a time to have a sleepover, but I was just thinking before all this virus happened, sometimes when you have a friend that needs cheering up, you invite them over to your house and you could have like a sleepover or a play day. So this was my idea. Maybe we could have a sleepover. So those are three ideas that I chose to help cheer my friend up. So I'm going to repeat. I could have a sleepover. I can try talking to them to cheer them up. Or we could play a game. That's a good idea. And all those are my cheer up ideas. So what you're going to do for homework is you're going to come up with three more ideas. Three more ideas. And I want you to write them on a piece of paper, just like I did here. So you could use a regular sheet of paper, or I will post this worksheet that we used to use in class. I'll post this on our class story for you to use for today. So if you want to print it out and use this sheet, you can. If you just want to use a regular sheet of paper, you can use a regular sheet of paper too. Like, see on this side, it's blank. If you have a blank sheet of paper, you can write your web, cheer up ideas, and then you can write everything down. So I'll show you a sample that I did on my board. So if you look here, see, I have some cheer up ideas. Okay, my cheer up ideas: play a game, watch a movie, draw or color. You can eat ice cream together. Now, the last thing that you want to do is, after you come up with three more ideas, you want three more ideas to add to your web. After you come up with three more ideas, then I would like you to put a star by the ideas that you want to write about. Okay? So you might have 6 ideas. So see how on my sample, I have 4 ideas. Now you might have 6 ideas, but you can't write about all 6 because that's too much. So I'm going to choose just 3. And the way I choose 3 is by following these directions here. I want to draw a star. Here's a star. Next to the ideas, that you think you will use. So I drew a star around this one. This was another idea that I came up with. Maybe we could eat ice cream together. I love ice cream, so that's why I put a star by that one. And then I put a star by this one. Watch a movie. See it? Because I love watching movies. I bet you it would be totally cool to watch a movie with my friend, just to try to cheer them up. Okay? Alrighty, so that's all you're going to do tonight for homework. You're going to come up with your ideas. I have 4 ideas here, but you need 6 ideas. Okay, you can copy the ones that I had in my other sample. And then come up with 3 of your own. And then after you're done, I want you to place stars next to 3 ideas that you would like to write about in your paragraph this week. Okay? Alrighty. So I hope this was helpful. Please make sure that tomorrow you come for part 2. Tomorrow is part 2. So if you don't do part 1, then you're not going to be able to keep up with part 2. So make sure you do your writing homework today. Okay, boys and girls? Remember our topic is cheer up. How can you cheer up a friend who is having a bad day? You're going to write down all your thoughts on this topic in the box. You're going to come up with 6 ideas. I have 4, but you're going to come up with 6, and then you're going to place a star next to the ideas that you know you want to write about. And how many stars, how many ideas are you going to choose? 3. Okay, not all of them. Only 3 of your best ideas. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you have a good day, and I'll post this video on our website, and I will send you a copy of the worksheet too, if you want to use it. If you don't want to use the worksheet, you don't have to. So I hope you have fun brainstorming ideas, boys and girls. Bye.